All students are provided a Fox Valley Tech email address. This is where you are going to check your email on a regular basis. To access your email when you are on the fetc.edu homepage, you are going to click on My FETC, and then you are going to click on Office 365. Once you are on this page, it's going to prompt you to log in. When you log in, it is going to be your student ID number and password, and when you get to a screen, it may look a little bit different than mine, but eventually you will end up on a page that shows your email. When you are on your email page, you will see your folder of your inbox and any other folders that you have set up. One thing that I suggest you do is create a signature to your email. To do this, you are going to go over to the Settings button, click on the Settings button, scroll down and click on View All Outlook Settings. When you get to this link, you are going to click on Compose and Reply. And here's where you would type in your signature. You can see that mine is already set up as an instructor. If I wanted to set one up as a student, I would recommend setting something up that says your first and last name, and then in the second line, the program that you were in. So maybe I am an early childhood program student. So when you send this email, your instructors and anyone else who receives it will see your name and what program you are a part of. You want to make sure that these two boxes are checked right here, so automatically include your signature no matter who you are sending it to. Once you have your signature set up the way that you want it, you click Save, and then that will save your signature. From then on out, I'm going to discard that because I already have mine set up. From then on out, whenever you write a new email message, you will see your signature at the bottom, which means that you no longer have to type your first and last name in for every single email that you write. It will automatically be there. Your instructors and anyone else who receives an email from you will greatly appreciate this.